Hello, wise one. Trust our last story was interesting to you. Today, we shall be discussing British invasion and annexation of Lagos in 1861. The Industrial Revolution in Europe led to the abolition of slave trade. Commodity trade follows thereafter. To further exploit Africans, the British decided to colonize Africa. Lagos, a thriving West African port, rich with culture and commerce, but beneath its beauty, foreign powers began to circle like sharks in quiet waters. Two princes battled for the throne: Kosoko, strong and feared, and Akitoye, willing to welcome British support. Their rivalry lit the fuse that would change Lagos forever. In December 1851, British warships unleashed the bombardment of Lagos. Cannons thundered, flames rose, and the ancient city shook under foreign firepower. After victory in 1852, the British restored Akitoye. At a price, a treaty was signed giving Britain leverage deep inside Lagos affairs. When Akitoye passed in 1853, Dosunmu rose, proud, calm, and determined. He resisted British pressure, insisting Lagos would remain sovereign. But in 1861, Britain returned, this time with overwhelming force. Surrounded by Marines, Dosunmu faced a terrible choice: sign or watch Lagos fall in flames. On August 6, 1861, the British flag rose over Lagos. The kingdom had fallen. A new crown colony was born, forever altering African history. From its fall emerged a new era: railways, courts, and colonial administration. But the spirit of Lagos never died. It adapted, resisted, and rose again. Share your thoughts, comment, like, and share this video. Let our people know our history. Subscribe to this channel and click the notification button to get our history.